you can raise your hands when you have the question. And there are people with microphones in the audience, so wait till you get the microphone. Everybody can hear your question that way. And it's what matters to the extraordinary collection of members of Congress that are standing with me here, but also who are in the audience.
The audience is my brother, Juan Sotomayor. He's a physician in Syracuse, New York. My sister-in-law, Tracy. My niece, Kylie. She looks like me. My twin nephews, Connor and Corey.
At the same time, as we seek greater responsibility from those in the private sector, it's my view, and the view of those who are standing behind me today, as well as those in the audience, that greater responsibility is required on the part of those who serve the public as well. So there are microphones in the audience. I'm not advocating caps on malpractice awards, which I personally believe can be unfair to people who've been wrongfully harmed. But I should have some microphones in the audience so that everybody can be heard. That's why I'm glad that there are some deep pockets in the audience here. Foundations, corporations, and individuals.
So the audience, the Facebook, as well as the videos, all coming at us at the same time. And so
people in the audience with mics, and so if you can wait for the microphone so you can introduce yourself and then ask the question so that everybody can hear you.
Jane here in our audience has a question about that from Alexandria, Virginia.
People with microphones in the audience. There are people in the audience with microphones, as you can see. And so if you can, once I call on you, if you can just wait until they bring the microphone, stand up so we can all see your lovely face, and introduce yourself, and then I will answer the question. And we've got a bunch of people in the audience with microphones. The ceremony to introduce these extraordinary innovators, let me just mention a few people who are in the audience today. First of all, we've got some outstanding members of, and if there are people with microphones in the audience, so when I call on you, if you can wait until you get the microphone and introduce yourself so that we know who you are. All right. Now, let me just close by saying this. I've said this before, but I never miss an opportunity to impress this upon an audience. Are newcomers to classical music and aren't sure when to applaud. Don't be nervous.